Let's go over Form 1B, also called the approval form. This one's short but super important. It basically confirms that your project has been reviewed and approved before you start your actual experimentation. First, Section 1A, which is for you, the student researcher, or team members if you're working on a team project. Each team member needs to fill out their own Form 1B. Here's where you sign and date the form. Your signature shows that you agree to follow the international rules and guidelines and that the work you're submitting is your own. It's your way of saying, yep, I've read the rules and I understand I need to do my work responsibly and honestly. If you're part of a team, each team member needs to sign this section. So if you've got 2 or 3 people on the project, everyone fills out, signs and dates their own Form 1B. Be sure to write legibly, no chicken scratch. After the student section, we move on to Section 1. This part is for the parent or guardian. Even if you're 18 and over, your parent or guardian needs to review your project and give permission for you to participate. They'll write their name, sign it, and include the date. It's a quick but important step. They're agreeing that they know what you're doing and that it's safe and appropriate. Now for Section 2, which is where your adult sponsor steps in to assist you with this form. This is usually your teacher or mentor, the person helping guide your research and making sure you're following the rules. The sponsor checks to make sure whether the project requires SRC, IRB, or other pre-approval. That just means, based on your research plan, whether your project needs to be reviewed by a committee before you begin. Projects that involve human participants, animals, or hazardous materials usually need that extra level of review. If your project needs approval of the SRC or IRB, this will be signed by a member in 2A or 2B. The person signing cannot be the student's teacher or parent. Leave Section 3 blank. This is for regional and state SRC chairperson signatures. And that's it! Form 1B is a short form, but don't overlook it. It's like the permission slip for your science research journey, showing that everyone involved knows what's going on and has given the green light. One last thing, make sure this form is signed before you start your experiment. That's the key. No signatures after the fact. Everything has to be approved ahead of time. Nice job getting through another form. You're one step closer to an awesome science fair project.